we learn how to add decimal values. We will follow these 3 steps. I've given it a start in red over there, but there is a problem. Can you see the mistake? If we look at step number 1, line up the decimal points and digits vertically. As you can see, I have my first decimal point over there and my second decimal point over there. That is not correctly aligned. We need to make sure that our digits and decimal points are correctly aligned. Not good. We need to do the following. Now we have correctly done step 1. We've lined up the decimal points and digits vertically. We can also simply add a 0 to our 7. The reason we do this is so that we have the same number of digits after the decimal point. Now, step 2, add the numbers as if they were whole numbers, keeping the decimal point in place. Let's go column by column from the right. 5 plus the 0, that will give us 5. 3 plus the 7, that will give us 10. So we put our 0 and we carry the 1. The 1 plus the 4 plus the 2, that will give us 7. Step 3, place the decimal point directly below the aligned decimal points. We put our decimal point in here, and there is our final answer, 7.05. Progress check. Have a go yourselves, then check your answers with mine. First up, step 1, we've aligned our digits and decimal points. Step 2, add the digits. 5 plus the 3, that will give us 8. 1 plus the 2, that will give us 3. Add our decimal point, nicely aligned. And there is our final answer, 3.8. Next up, so we have our digits nicely aligned. What we can do, we can add a 0 to the 9, just so that we can add in our hundredths column. Step 2, add the digits. 7 plus the 2 plus the 0, that gives us 9. 6 plus the 8 plus the 9, that will give us 23. 3, and we carry over the 2. 2 plus the 4 plus the 3 plus the 1, that will give us 10. And step 3, decimal point nicely aligned underneath the others, and there is our final answer, 10.39. Last question. So step 1 is complete. What I can do, just to have the same number of digits after the decimal point, I can add a 0 here and 2 zeros over here. My decimal points are nicely aligned and I'm good to go. Step 2, add the digits in each column. That will give me 4. The 6 plus the 0 plus the 3 will give me 9. The 5 plus the 9 plus the 0 gives me 14. I put my 4 and I carry over the 1. The 1 plus the 4 plus the 8 plus the 0, that will give me 13. I add my 3 and I carry the 1. The 1 plus the 3 plus the 7 plus the 0, that gives me 11. I add my 1, carry over 1. And in my final column, the 1 plus the 2 will give me 3. And step 3, I add my decimal point. And there is my final solution. Hey guys, this is Casey at Onetreemath. If you like the content, please remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like some online tutoring, please email me at onetreemath@gmail.com. Cheers.